Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Carson MUA here on YouTube and Aesthetics by Carson on TikTok and Instagram. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day, evening, night, whenever. If you hear that, that's my dog talking. His name is Lincoln. He's saying hi too. So today I did a pretty normal look because I had the idea to do a little extra bit because I have been listening since it came out, ATEEZ's song Bouncy, and I was like, ooh, you know what, I can do a TikTok or whatever like transition video too, and I can do a makeup look, and I can add little chili peppers, because why not? So this is what inspired my look today. If anything, I'll show you guys what it looks like without the chili peppers, which is just a basic, transitional brown shading with just one palette. I will be suggesting 2 palettes that you can use, but really you can use any palettes as long as you have good transitional shades as well in them, and do a basic look with that. And yeah, so if you're new here, hello, thank you for clicking on this video. If you have been here before, thank you for still coming back and clicking on this video. I appreciate you. And yeah, so if you want to go check out any of my other videos, feel free to do that. And anything I will be using in this video, I will have a link in the description down below. I'll mention that at the end as well. And that's for any video I make. Always, anything I use is linked down in the description below. So let's get into this makeup look and let's see how we do.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome over to my channel. If you're new, hi, hello. My name's Carson. This is voiceover Carson, by the way. I like to let y'all know that you're definitely welcome no matter which video you click on, whether this is your first or you've been here since I started posting over almost 2 years ago, I think, or about to be 2 years. But yeah, so I came up with this idea because at the time, this is an older video from the time I'm recording the voiceover. It was filmed sometime last year in 2024. I can't exactly remember the exact month, but right now while I'm recording it is February 3rd in 2025, so this is fun. And I finally get to post this. I'm excited because I've been really wanting to post this, but yeah, so this was an idea that I came up with because I was listening to Bouncy, like I said, from ATEEZ, and then Hwasa's Chili, and I thought, you know what, these would be fun TikToks to do and transition with it with the song. And so I thought, you know what, I'll do a makeup look then for it. And so I was like, okay, well, what kind of makeup look can I do? And I came up with like a pretty easy makeup look. So I was like, okay, well, I could go all out and like do reds and greens as eyeshadows, or I can just do a very simple one and just add little chilies. And that's kind of what I went with because I decided blendage, but also the way I wanted it to look, I really wanted to incorporate little chili peppers. And the way I was thinking about doing it, if I did red and green, I might redo it sometime later on down the line, but at least for this time, I really wanted to like show off the chili peppers, and I felt like if I added those colors as regular like eyeshadow, then they would be drowned out by the eyeshadow. So, but this alone, the makeup look alone, without the chili peppers, is a very good basic look. I will have it as its own video if you guys ever want to go look at it. You don't have to watch this one specifically, but that one will have its own video because I feel like it's its own look standalone just in general, and I'll probably do some other ones similar to that as well going forward. And yeah, so that's kind of what the idea was and why I chose to do this look. And every single thing that I use always is linked down below in the description. So if you were curious of any eyeshadow, like specific eyeshadow from the palette, like any palette, any eyeshadow, any shade of foundation, whatever it might be, I always have it linked down below. And if I can find like I can find it and make sure I have it listed, I will put it on there for you guys, so you know exactly like what it is, like who made it. So in case you guys really like it and you want to have it for yourself, then I definitely want you guys to and know that that's where I got it from, and this is the shade, and if you enjoy it, go ahead, go get you some. And yeah, so that's what I always do with my looks no matter what. But yeah, I'll probably talk about this in the next video as well, but lately I've been thinking maybe I should just have my base done already and then only show like my eyeshadows as a video, like the eye look and the rest of my face look, but have my base already done by the point of start filming. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. Or if you guys enjoy me using the whole video and showing you my process of doing my base and everything like that, let me know down below. Because honestly, my base routine has not changed, but that's why I was like, you know what, I can just skip it because I've showed it in every video that I've made so far. But if you guys really do enjoy me showing you the process of like the whole entire thing from start to beginning, let me know. Or if you just want to see the eye looks, let me know. And yeah, I really love doing a red lip. I want to do it more often. I need to do it more often. And I don't choose it so often just because I don't know. I really don't know why I don't do it. Doing this look really made me want to do it more often because of like seeing my pictures I took after doing this look. It looks so good, and I was like, damn, I really need to do a red lip more. And if you're the same way and you haven't done a red lip in a while, or you don't do red lips that often, do it. Just do it, girl, because like it is so pretty, especially if you find the right shade. And it took me a handful of years to find the right shade, but I finally found a couple of them, especially over the more recent years because more shade ranges have come out. And yeah, so find you your right shade of red, put it on, and go to town. Why not? And this is the final look, and I will see you guys in the next video.
So that's the end of this video, end of the look. I hope you guys liked this video. I wanted to show you two things, and I probably have mentioned it during this video. I was just looking for this. For my lips, I use NARS Starwoman. I switch in between either one of these. Normally for red, this is Fenty. This is their Uncensored lipstick, or well, liquid lips. Because I personally like using liquid lips. I don't really like using lipsticks. But another one, if you want to use a lipstick specifically to create a similar color shade, MAC Ruby Red, I think, or Ruby Woe. I'll put it up on the screen right now. That is a great lipstick that has the same color aspect for a perfect red. I have been on the hunt for many years trying to find that, and so far these two and that one, I'm pointing to it off camera, and those have been like the absolute perfect for what I've been looking for, because everything looks different or everything didn't look correct. If you hear whining, it's my dog. He doesn't understand that I'm talking to the camera, basically. He thinks I'm talking to somebody. And what I used I used my lips was the NARS, and then I used Fenty for the little chili peppers. Obviously, if you're not doing chili peppers, you can do either one. And then I just used a little NYX liner. I did test it with a green lipstick, but me personally, I didn't like how it kind of looked. I liked how it looked better with the liner, color-wise. to make it look more like a chili pepper plate. So if you enjoyed this makeup and you want to recreate it and I gave you any inspiration to go either listen to AT's, I'm gonna also do one with Huesa and her song Chili, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Chili. I'll put it up on the thing, or I'll put both of them linked down below in the description because why not? And yeah, so I'm gonna I'm gonna be doing that too, because while I was doing this look, I was like, wait a second, I can do another one with that song too. That's a good idea. But yeah, so if you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. I'm going to be trying to post every Wednesday as best as I can. And yeah, and so go follow me on socials. I am getting my esthetician's license. I'm becoming a full specialist esthetician, and if you want to join me on the journey of doing that, go follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because that's where I mainly post for that. If you hear any of that, that's my cat Lily saying hi to as well. If you guys enjoyed, please go check out the rest of my videos and hit subscribe like I said. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, night, or morning, wherever it reaches you when you're watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.